Today, we're discussing the latest rankings from Taiwan's Credit Information Service for the top 500 tech companies. TSMC leads in operational excellence and will also cover the remarkable 6.15% revenue increase alongside challenges such as a 3.73% dip in net after-tax profits compared to 2021. So, if you don't want to miss any of these incredible updates, keep watching the video. TSMC leads the pack in Taiwan's top 500 tech companies. Over the past 3 years, you'll notice that only one of these top 500 tech companies experienced a profit decline, according to the China Credit Information Service analysis. This drop in earnings can be attributed to two main factors. Firstly, the impact of high inventory levels among overseas customers, and secondly, the transitional phase coinciding with the introduction of new product generations. Challenges and drivers of profitability in the tech industry. When we look at the top 10 companies in terms of revenue, you'll find Han High Precision Industry leading the pack, followed by TSMC, Pegatron, Quanta Computer, Compal Computer, Wistron Information Technology, Inventec, MediaTek, AU Optronics, and UMC. Regarding comprehensive business performance indicators, it's worth noting that TSMC stands out with an impressive score of 95.97 in the operational performance category, securing the top position. TSMC's ongoing dominance in tech business performance. It's important to emphasize that accomplishing such growth during a 3-year pandemic is quite challenging, as the China Credit Information Service has pointed out. This achievement speaks to the high level of competitiveness within their respective industries. Additionally, these companies have demonstrated robust dividend growth. The Data Analysis. When we turn to data and analysis from LexisNexis, it underscores the paramount importance of advanced chip packaging technology in boosting chip performance. This technology holds immense significance for manufacturers competing for foundry business. Over time, both TSMC and Samsung has consistently invested in advancing packaging technology, setting the pace for innovation. In contrast, Intel needs to catch up in adopting these advancements. The significance of advanced chip packaging technology. TSMC stands at the forefront, boasting an impressive 2,946 advanced chip packaging patents. These patents outnumber the competition and demonstrate exceptional quality, evident from how frequently other companies reference them. Samsung Electronics follows closely behind with 2,404 patents, while Intel ranks third with 1,434 patents in this domain. Patent dominance. TSMC, Samsung, and Intel. According to Marco Richter, the managing director of LexisNexis patent site, TSMC, Samsung, and Intel have been instrumental in propelling advancements and setting technical benchmarks in the field since 2015. These three companies have consistently invested in pushing the boundaries of advanced packaging technology, paralleled by substantial growth in their patent portfolios. AMD's competitive edge with chiplet technology. You might find it interesting that AMD has gained a competitive edge over Intel by employing chipset technology in its server chips. It's also noteworthy that Samsung Electronics has invested in advanced chip packaging technology and even established a dedicated team for its development in December 2022. Moon-Soo Kang, who heads this department, exudes confidence in their progress with advanced chip packaging technology. Samsung's commitment to advanced chip packaging. On the other side, there's Benjamin Ostapuk, the vice president of Intel's intellectual property law group, who challenges the notion that TSMC's large patent portfolio equates to a more advanced technological position. He raises valid questions about the scope and significance of TSMC's patents. Intel's perspective on TSMC's patents and strategy. Intel, however, has a distinct approach. approach. They meticulously select patents to protect their intellectual property and invest strategically in key patents. They firmly believe the sheer number of patents isn't the sole gauge of technological advancement. While Intel is self-assured about its advanced chip packaging technology prowess, TSMC has not commented on the report. It might be a deliberate move to keep a low profile or due to an ongoing internal assessment. Nonetheless, this competitive environment is expected to fuel innovation and benefit the entire industry, fostering more competition and collaboration to advance advanced chip packaging technology. Intel's careful approach to patents and TSMC's response. A recent report from DG Times brings to light TSMC's active expansion of its CoWoS or chip-on-wafer-on-substrate packaging capacity to cater to the demands of AWS, Broadcom, Cisco, NVIDIA, and Xilinx. NVIDIA plays a significant role here, specifically excelling in AI and HPC or high-performance computing. Interestingly, one of the primary reasons behind the shortage of computing GPUs is TSMC's limited CoWoS packaging capabilities. TSMC's expansion in CoWoS packaging capacity. TSMC has outlined its plans to boost its monthly CoWoS production capacity from 8,000 wafers at the close of 2023 to 11,000 wafers, with further expansion to 16,600 wafers by the end of 2024. Rumors are circulating about NVIDIA planning to increase its CoWoS capacity to 20,000 wafers by the end of 2024. However, it's important to approach these reports cautiously as they may not align with official announcements. Rumors and realities of CoWoS capacity expansion. DigiTimes reports that major tech giants like NVIDIA, Amazon, Broadcom, Cisco, and Xilinx drive demand for TSMC's advanced CoWoS packaging. This heightened demand led to TSMC to renew orders for the necessary equipment and materials. Increased demand for TSMC's advanced CoWoS packaging. NVIDIA has already secured 40% of TSMC's CoWoS production capacity for the upcoming year. However, due to the significant shortage, it is also exploring alternative options with its Tier 2 suppliers, like Amkor Technology and UMC. However, these orders are relatively modest, reflecting the slowdown in the consumer electronics sector. TSMC's strategies amid challenges and strong ties with Apple. Despite the challenges, TSMC remains optimistic, thanks to its strong ties with Apple and its role in the burgeoning AI sector. Wall Street eagerly anticipates the impact of TSMC's collaboration with Apple and its involvement in AI on its earnings. An analyst from Wedbush gives TSMC an outperform rating, acknowledging that currency effects may play a role in TSMC's performance. Nevertheless, TSMC's robust connections with Apple and its presence in AI products position it favorably for the future. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the incredible updates of TSMC. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.